Pakistan, which was already 24th global economy, maximum by 2030 would be part of the global premium G20 club, the biggest economies of the world, and by 2050, 16th global economy. Now, where did we reach in the next 4 years? Unfortunately, we declined to 47th global economy. And the PDM government, led by प्राइम मिनिस्टर शहबाज शरीफ साहब, ये नहीं था कि इकोनॉमी कैसे बेहतर होगी, ये कि पाकिस्तान को डिफॉल्ट से कैसे बचाना. It was the most serious crisis after 2013 that PMLN and the PDM allies faced very successfully, I would say, अल्लाह के फजल करम से. इस कंट्री की कैपेसिटी है, वो जो कहते हैं ना कि ये डेट ट्रैप कंट्री है, ये कभी नहीं निकल सकता, दिस ऑल रबिश. On the one side, you have external debt. Obviously, you have twin deficits. You have seen that. Fiscal deficit, which is in rupees. You will manage it. The more serious is the current account deficit. In fact, एक जो स्लाइड थी, आपने देखा कि 20, 23, 24 और 20, 28, 29 में करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट लिखा था, लेकिन माइनस का निशान था. It is actually current account surplus, primary surplus, 0.2 and 1.2. I'm just highlighting a correction here. वो minus what indicates that it's not deficit, but it is actually surplus, primary surplus. So this country has the capacity. Pakistan is blessed with, according to the credible surveys, $10 trillion के mines and minerals, hydrocarbons, stones, granite, against a debt, external debt of $130 billion US. All we need to do is the unity. All we need to do is to, आखिरी देखा आपने काम, and Prime Minister is leading from the front, working, day and night. अगर हम सब मिल के, आपको याद होगा 20, 13, 17 में कई दफ़ा हमने चार्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमी की बात की, तो it will fall on deaf ears. Nobody would agree. ये petty politics has to be buried.